Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python for Beginners series. In this video, we're going to learn how to read two integer inputs from the user and find their sum using Python. To get input from the user, we use the built-in input function. It reads the input as a string, even if the user types a number. So to work with actual numbers, we need to convert those strings into integers. Let's start by asking the user to enter the first number. We'll use the input function with a message, and then pass the result directly to the int function to convert it into an integer. Let us store this value in a variable called num1. Similarly, let's ask the user for the second number and store it in a variable called num2. Now that we have both numbers as integers, we can easily calculate their sum. Let's add num1 and num2 and store the result in a variable called sum_result. Finally, let's print the result to the output using a print statement. We have used Arithmetic Addition operator to find the sum of the two numbers. This addition operator takes two numbers as operands, one on the left and other on the right, and returns their sum. Let's run the program. When the user enters two numbers, for example 15 and 25, the program calculates the sum and prints. To sum it up, the input function takes user input as a string. So if we want to read numbers, we have to wrap it with the int function to convert the string to an integer. Once we have two integers, we can simply add them using addition operator and print the result. If this video helped you understand how to read and sum two numbers in Python, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python tutorials.